Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBUILDER Pro. From the dashboard, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From the drawer, select Subscription. Here you can see you're on a 7-day free trial with limited access. Choose a plan that fits your needs, Business Plus or Business Pro. I'll choose the Business Plus plan. Tap the plan to continue. Enter your company billing address for invoicing. Then pick either weekly, monthly, or yearly billing, whatever you think suits you best. Review the total and tap Purchase Plan. A secure payment sheet opens. Enter your card number, expiry, CVC, and cardholder name. All payment data is processed securely. Tap Pay to complete the purchase. The app will process your payment. This takes a few seconds. Payment successful. You're now subscribed to Business Plus plan. You can see the activation and expiry dates on the plan card. You can also view all past payments and receipts under Payment History. That's it. Your subscription is active and premium features are unlocked. Start using the full power of BuilderBUILDER Pro.